So hi guys. Today first we are going to be installing VS Code. Previously we were using Notepad++, but I told you all when we move to real world projects, we'll be needing a fast and modern way of coding. So for that reason, we'll be installing VS Code. Uh, how many of you all here already have got VS Code? Let me know through the chat box. Okay, perfect. Okay. For others who haven't got VS Code yet, I'm just giving you all a quick guide. Wait, let me resize things. Perfect. Okay. Okay. So the guys who haven't got VS Code, this application, I think all can see. I think all can see. An application called VS Code. I want you all to go to Google and search for VS Code download. Make it quick. Okay, I want you all to search for VS Code download. Then you'll have a link here called download Visual Studio Code. Then I want you all to click on that. Then, if you are using a Windows operating system, download for Windows, Ubuntu, Red Hat, the Linux operating systems over here. And if you are using a Mac operating system, then you can get this VS Code. But if you are on a Windows, then click on this and download VS Code. Should download for you because I have already downloaded. I think I don't have to download it again. So I'll give you all around 5 minutes. Quickly download this. If you all want, I'll drop this link in the chat box. Download and raise your hands in the participants list. If you all can proceed with installing it, and if you all are done installing it already, raise your hands in the participants list. Once everyone are done, I'll move. Okay, so Artha is done already. If you all have already installed it, then you can keep your hands raised. So what you all have to do is basically check if you all already have the VS Code application in your operating system installed. If not, I want you all to go to Google, search for VS Code download, and go to this specific web page. I think you'll have to click the first link over there. If you go here, you have to press the first link, download it, and install. Once you're done, raise the hands in the participants list. I think Akif already told that you have VS Code. Akif and Disas, you all can keep your hands raised. So just four more guys to install. Quick, others are done. If you all are done downloading that, you all can actually double click on the setup and give next, 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 and install it. Six. Actually, I will have a live quiz today. Don't worry, it's a very easy quiz. I'm actually preparing your quiz. Okay, two more guys, Nasma and Rifqi. Make it quick. Make sure you have installed the application. Don't just download and stay. Just make sure double click on the setup and install. It's just a basic installation. We'll have to give next, and go. For the guys who will be watching the recording, if you all have any issues, then you all can actually get me done. Uh, what's happening? Why is it late? Do you need more time? I can give you time until 8:17. Make it quick. Just actually today's quiz will be based on the questions which you all have previously done, or maybe you all have learned it previously. So I think it will not be hard for you. Let's hope for the best. Okay, Shakib. 2 more minutes. Okay, I think some one of you have joined now. What you have to actually do is download VS Code. I'm telling you in short and sweet words. And for the guys who are watching the recording, if you all really want to try the quiz, I'll not let you all participate the live quiz again. It's only for the guys who are in the meeting today. If you all want to actually try the questions in the quiz, I'll link it to a Google form so you all can give it a try. Okay, so fine. Let's move to our. So I hope most of you all would have installed it. I think, yeah, I'm not giving more time for this to install because it's already late. So I hope you have installed it. Now I want you to search for VS Code in your search bar and open the application. Wait, the window. And you should be getting a fresh application like this. You should be getting a fresh window like this. Am I right? You should be having a window like this. Okay, I'll give you 1 more minute. Make it quick. Okay, for others who have installed it, you should be getting a fresh window like this. Once you open VS Code, you'll be getting a fresh window like this. Now, what I want to do is click on. mm, okay, before click on, I want you to go to your what you say, File Explorer. Go to your File Explorer. I mean this window. This window. This is your File Explorer. Go there. Choose your choose a directory and create a folder. For example, you can create a folder called web designing. Something you can create a folder like web designing. Okay. Once you have created a folder like this, go and create a folder called web designing. Once you have done creating a folder like that, drag and drop it into your VS Code window. Just drag it from your file explorer, drop it to your VS Code. Or sometimes if you have clicked on the one of the tick when you're installing, you can open the folder and right click and click on open with code. So I'm not confusing you all. So without confusing, the easy method is drag your folder and drop it to VS Code. I'll lower all of your hands. Once all are done doing this step, raise your hands in the participants list. You can create a folder wherever you want. Anywhere you want, you create a folder and drag and drop it inside. I want a fresh folder because I'm planning to make three projects with you all. I think we'll not be able to make three. Uh, we should be able to make two. One is an e-commerce platform, another is like a social messaging application. I have planned things, but I'll tell to you all in the upcoming classes. But developing an e-commerce website is sure. Cut or copy. You just need to create a new folder. Just create a new folder. Yeah, just Control Shift M, create a new folder, drag that folder, just click on it and drag and drop into your VS Code. What about others? Make it quick. Once all are done, raise your hands in the participants list. Guys, why are you taking more time for this? Do you all need more time or shall I move to the next part? Should just take you all a minute to do that. If you all have installed it previously when I told you all, it should just take a minute. Raise your hand so I know that you're done. So some of the guys who joined now, if you all don't understand what's going on, watch the recording. That's what I can tell you. If you don't understand what's going on, watch the recording. Okay. So once you're done dragging a folder, once you're done creating a folder and dragging it into the application VS Code, then I want you all to hover over this. It should show a name. For example, if you named your folder with your own name, let's take an example. If you named it as Shakib, then it should show as Shakib. So next to your name, it will show you four icons here. In these four icons, I want you to click on the first icon and create a new file. It should show a new file like this. Named, I'm going to name it as mm, test1.html. No. Yeah. Name it test. Give it your name first. I always told you all previously. I'm reminding it you all again. So the format is first give your name, space, test one dot html. Create a new file like this and raise your hands in the participants list. Can you do it from the beginning? Okay, what I told you all to do is create a new folder, create a new folder, give it some random name, drag that folder and pull it to your VS Code application. Then it should create a folder, it should create a mark like this here called your folder's name. Then click on the icon here and create a new HTML file. For example, I have named it as Ammaar Ghani test1.html. Like we previously did with Notepad++, you all can do it here. Okay, once you are done with that, I'm lowering your hands again. I want you all to type the HTML structure. Okay, I want you all to type the HTML structure. HTML structure is HTML, then head, then body, this structure, this HTML skeleton. I want you all to type this HTML skeleton. Look here carefully. Win Shift S. Take a screenshot of this, or you all will know how to take a screenshot. I think you all have the screenshot key on your keyboard. Take a screenshot of this. Send me in the Zoom chat or send me in WhatsApp and raise your hands in the participants list. This will bring you all 5 marks for your final test. Make it quick. Write the HTML skeleton and send me a screenshot in the participants list. Or, sorry, send me a screenshot in the chat, Zoom chat box or WhatsApp and raise your hands in the participants list. Okay, this task is done. Okay, this is, your code is perfect. Yeah, fine. Even though HTML tags are not case sensitive, even though HTML tags are not case sensitive, I will always recommend you to use simple letters. But it's your choice. There's no errors. It will work on any browser. Even if you use all capital, it will work, but it's your choice. Only one of you all are done. Others make it quick. I'll give you all time till 8:29. 2 more minutes. No, it's fine. You're here to learn. Extension for the logo. What mean? What is the extension for the logo? I don't understand your question. Okay, Prem Kumar. I think it's Vanjuda. You're also done. Hmm. Perfect. Tutele has sent me on WhatsApp. Um, Perfect. Tutele, perfect. Y'all can raise your hands. Once you have sent me the file, y'all can raise your hands. The logo you get when you name the file as HTML. These logos. Um, I think I got them from somewhere, but I don't remember actually. I'll tell you in the next class. Wait. Oh, wait, let me see. It's an icon theme. Actually, it's only for if look at here. Go to File, Preferences, Theme, File Icon Theme. Then you should have a theme called Material Icon Theme. Or just go to Install Additional File Icon Themes. Others don't look here. It's like unwanted. And search for Material Icon Themes. Then you should get something like this. Then install it. All should work. I'll teach all in the next few classes. Yeah, perfect, Asli. Okay, Usman has sent me. Usman, you have an error in your code. After the body tag, let me share the screen and show it to you. Okay, Usman, I think you can see the screen. After this is unnecessary. As you can see on my screen, you have added two close angular brackets. Actually, one is enough. So you can delete this one. Okay, perfect. Guys, the guys who sent me, raise your hands. So I know that you're done. Okay, an unknown number has sent me. I don't know who's. Ah, okay, I think it's Nasma. I should save your contact. I forgot. HTML, head, body, HTML. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I think the time's up. What about others? Akif, I think you told me that we need more time or something. Akif, why are not done? Alif, together I think you sent me the code. Aski, okay. Fasna, I don't know. Marshall, okay, later. Yashan, I don't know. Akif, Akif, did you send me the code? Akif, you didn't send me one. Okay, now tell me in the chat box. My letters go. Okay, now my letter color is white. I think then you haven't saved it as .html. Check whether you have saved it as your name, like I think your Prem Kumar test one and .html. Once you save it like .html, I think the text color should be blue. No, wait. Uh, yeah. Once you save it as .html, I think the text color should turn blue. If it doesn't work, then let's check it later. Okay, perfect. Now tell me how much seconds did it take you all to type this? I'm using VS Code. Alif, I think you joined now. Watch the recording. Okay, 2 seconds. One guy have got 2 seconds. It might take 30 seconds for some of you all. It's fine. I gave you all 4 minutes and still some of you all are not done. That means you are taking 5 minutes to do this basic code. Okay, 30 seconds. Now it's time to reveal you something. You sent me Akif. Okay, I'll check. HTML head body. Perfect. Akif, perfect. Okay, now I'll tell you all something. It's not actually a big thing. I told you all the reason for us to move from Notepad++ to VS Code is to now move to real-time projects because we're going to make hard projects, not basic image upload. Basic projects. We are going to make hard projects. To do that, to do that, we need to code fast. We can't take 30 seconds to write this skeleton. So now I introduce you all to the first VS Code shortcut. Delete all of this. Look at me first. I won't tell you this all tell again. Delete all of the all codes. Press the exclamation mark on your keyboard and hit enter. And you have the complete HTML structure within a second. Within just one click. Is that good? Is this good? Or you typing manually? Is that good? What do you all feel? And it's not magic, man. See, give the exclamation mark, just one exclamation mark, enter. That's all. Nothing to worry. Okkamevara. Yes, convenient. Actually, do you all think real-time programmers use those notepads to build big, big websites? Well, show you all. the website I made for you all to upload your projects. Do you think I made that website using Notepad? There's no way to build a website. And also to build a website, mainly they don't use HTML file. They use PHP, something different. I'll tell you all in the later courses. So now focus on this. I want you all to press the exclamation mark and get the HTML structure. Then in the title, I want you all to name it as your name and test one and save it. Okay, and save it. Go to the place where you saved the file. Go to open your folder and go to the place where you saved your file. Double click on it and open. Okay, and you should be seeing an empty page like this. If you're seeing an empty page like that, come back, go to your body. Now, can you remember in Notepad++, we manually did this thing. We opened an H1 tag, then we took some time, we closed the H1 tag. That thing doesn't need to be done in VS Code. If you all want to open an H1 tag, just type H1. It will open the tag, close the tag. Let's say you want 5 H1 tags. You don't have to type H1, then come here, H1, come here, aim on that. You just click H1 into 5. So you get 5 H1 tags. Let's say you want to include 5 images. You go here, IMG to 5. 5 image tags. Very easy. So I think I have given you all a clue with that. With that said, I'm telling you all to name your file as image test. Then your first, I think not first. Okay. Now I'm giving you a small work. I'll lower all of your hands. Now, if you all save this and check it on your web browser, it should show something like this. Now I'm giving you all a sort of an assignment. What you all have to do is add an image. Add any image you like. Add any image you like and save it. Go. I'm not giving you a clue. I have taught you all how to add an image in the previous classes. Thought KL. Yeah, I thought you. So using that, not again. Actually, I gave you a clue also. I actually gave you a clue few seconds ago on how to add images. I gave you all a nice clue. If you all looked at it carefully, just few seconds before I gave you a clue on how to add an image. I'll give you another clue. Go to your browser, search for some image you like, copy the link address, create an image tag here, paste the link, save it, go to your browser, refresh it, and check if it works. Once you are done doing that, raise your hands in the participants list. I'll be giving you all time till 8:38, 2 minutes. See, the name of the file you named this is itself test1.html. What library I'm using? I'll tell you later, I'll tell you later. Because I don't have much time for the quiz today. I have to tell you all about the new server thing. So I'll tell you on another day, next day. There you have to install formatters and everything. I'll tell you. Okay, 1 minute more. Let's see who can do it. No one. First. Is anyone of you all doing it, attempting it? Do you all need more time? Or shall I tell you all how to do? And don't think by the end of this course I'll be spoon feeding every code to you all. You all have to manually research and do it. What is it correct? Let me check. Nope. I'll tell you. Okay, look here. Go to Google, search for any image you like. For example, search for car. Yes, I'll be sending the recording. I'll talk about the recording, where I have to get the recording. I'll tell where I have to get the recording in a few minutes. Just look here. Search for an image you like. Copy image link. I don't want you to do this now. Don't do this now. Just look at how to edit image. I'm telling this to you all again. It might be coming to your quiz, which is happening a few minutes later. It might come to a quiz, so be careful. How to add an image. Go to search, Google, search for an image you like. Right click on the image. Click on copy image link. Close that sheet out. Come to VS Code. Nothing. You all have to just open the image tag. Type img. එච්චරයි වැඩේ. වෙන මොකුත් නෑ. You all don't have to manually type the codes and nothing. If you just type img, it will automatically open a full code for you all. So you all don't have to struggle to memorize the code and do. That's why I told you all previously, don't memorize codes. And the link which you copied, I want you all to paste in between the src tag, but not now, and save it. Once you all are done with that, go and refresh your file, and you should be seeing your image. That's how you add HTML images to HTML. I just found that I pasted copy link which doesn't work. Instead, I tried image link on that. Yeah, actually, if you all go and just click on this thing, if you all go and click on copy link, what it does is it will copy the link for this website. This copy link, if you click on that, it will copy the link for the website. If you want to copy the link for the image, then you have to give it copy image link. So hope you all understood that part. Now, yeah, we'll be doing that, Usman, in few time. In a few, Vanjada, again, your mistake is that hereafter you all don't have to open and close tags manually. Vanjada, look at here carefully. What you have to do is just type img. That's right. Type img, hit enter. Then you will be getting this code. Don't delete anything. Just keep this code. Paste your link between the src tags. Okay. Once you're done with that, I will introduce you to the new coding and uploading platform. I think Rihaab, one of our admins, is also here. Okay. So previously, the issue which we had in our old code uploading server is that some of our upload files, and I don't know who uploaded it. I can't give you all because I have to collect all of your projects and give marks according to your work. For example, if you make codes, I'll cut your marks here. Okay. I have to do some changes for that. So I have made a new system. I'll send the link to you all in the chat box. I'll send the link. I have sent the link to you all in chat box. Click on that link. And if you're getting a page like this, raise your hands in the participants list. Guys, you can't take 2, 3 minutes to click a link, man. Yeah, perfect. Once you all didn't get the link. Okay, sorry. I have privately sent it to one guy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I, I think lots of guys are messaging me. The name below is changing. I don't know why. I have to try to figure it out. I've sent you all the link now. If you are getting a page like this, raise your hands in the participants list and go to sign up page, fill in your information and sign up for the website. Wait, I'll lower all the hands. I think everyone can access the website. If you all have any issues to access the website, I drop in the chat box. Once you all are done signing up, raise your hands in the participants list. Once you all have signed up and gone to a page like this, I think the guys who joined newly also can register because you all don't have to know any previous web developing skills to register for a website. Yeah, sure. Okay, Disaster has registered. Nilar Nasma has registered. So I think Ayan Shimak has joined the meeting now. What I want to do is, Ayan, I'm sending a link in the chat box. Click on that, sign up for the website. I'll give you all 2 more minutes. Make it quick. We should be starting our quiz by 8:50. So make it quick. Guys, register quickly. Did you all understand how to register? Or do you all have any problems with that? Yashan has registered. Do you all have any problems on how to register or how to fill a form? I hope you all don't. Okay, Marshall registered. Arif registered. Raise your hands, men, so I know that you all are done. The majority has raised the hands, then I'll move to the next part. Usman, Sharmila, Manjuda, and yeah, I think only Manjuda is remaining from registering. Do we need more time or shall I move to the next part? So the guys who have registered, do you all need more time or shall I move? Tell me quickly. Okay, I'll give you all 1 more minute. I'm gonna explain the functionalities. Okay, Usman Fazal registered. Quick, quick, make it quick. Hmm. Okay, time's up. Now, yes, yes, Rihaab. Okay, so the guys who have registered, look here. I'm like going from the basic to y'all because I want it to be perfectly launched because I don't want anyone to ask me again about these links and things. So this is your home page and you have classes here. And in case if you want to contact me, there are many contact options here. Y'all can contact me. Y'all can get the YouTube links here and stuff. Okay. Now, this class is the next gen, and there's a page called classes. The next is the classes page. And previously, the Sketch Tamil course was done, and that's over. No more new classes are available. And now there are two batches ongoing. Now, you all are from the next gen batch. Now, let's say next week you want the class link to join. Some of you guys, even though I put it in the group personally, you all message me and asked before the class group, the meeting link. You all don't have to do that again. What you all have to simply do is go to the view class. If you all hover on the web designing next gen course, you all be getting a view class button. Click on it. Then you all can neatly see. Now today's class is next web designing next gen week 4, 28th of September, 8 p.m. Now what will happen is this is today's class link. So imagine you logged in the website like at 7:50. Then you log into the website, go to the classes page, click on NextGen View Class, then click on the View Lesson, and you will have the link to join the meeting here. Once you click on this, it will take you to the Zoom link which you need to join today's class. Now, don't worry, after today, this class link will be disappearing from this place. And next week, you all will be seeing the week file link. Click on it and you all can join the meeting. Now, let's say you want the class recording. Again, you don't have to message me and ask for it. Class recordings are available 24/7, 365 in the website. Now, let's say you want the Scratch Tamil, you need to attend Scratch Tamil class and you want that recording. Go to view class, click on the week which you want the link, click on view recording, then it should take you to the YouTube page. Now, let's say last web designing class, you missed the class. What you can do is go to recordings page, click on web designing next gen, view class. You have the week 1 recording, week 2 recording, week 3 recording. And after today's class, I'll be adding the week 4 recording here. So you can click on view lesson, view recording, and it should take you all to our class recording. Understood that part? Everyone perfect with that? If you understood, drop me a K in the chat box. If you understood, drop me a K in the chat box or tell me in any other way. Perfect. Now the next part is the forum. Now there's a forum here. I think Rifqi is also here. This the main purpose of developing this forum is for students to upload their doubts here and discuss. Upload their doubts, discuss. So there are a few admins who will be replying to your doubts. They'll guide you all to do everything. So if you have any doubt, let's say you're studying in grade 7 and you have a doubt with your math subject. Let's say you're studying Sinhala, you have a doubt in your Sinhala subject. You can drop anything here. You can take a photo of if your phone in your phone, if you're visiting this website, you can take a photo, upload your photo, and tell how to do this. If you all have a maths problem, very hard maths problem which you can't solve, you all can just upload it in the server, and our admins will reply to your doubts, and you all can get it solved. For example, now it's under testing. Actually, it's under construction. We are adding more features on the way. So you all can use it for now. For now, if you all have any doubts, you all can use this forum. See, for now, we are just testing things out. You can actually see it's under test. So the forum is here. You all can actually, if you all know some answers of others, you all can reply for them. You all can post messages and do things. You all can go to my post and delete your post if you want even, and make sure you read the forum rules and obey the rules. And the other feature is the practicals page. Previously, you all had a practicals page. I agree that's a very slow server and many of you all had issues. But I think now you all should not have that issue. This is your brand new practicals page. I'll send the link to you all in the chat box. Or you all can actually navigate it from the website by clicking on the practicals button here. It should take you to this page. Once you're in this page, click on Head to Dashboard and you all should be seeing two cards like this. To host your HTML, I want you all to click on the first card, choose your file which you created today. For example, today what I created, did I save it? Okay. The file which I created today, I'll just choose that file, click on upload. And if you get a message called file uploaded successfully, that means your file has successfully uploaded. If you're done, you can click on you uploaded practicals and check your file here. You can click on the open button and open it. So now what I want you all to do is I'll send the link in the chat box. I want you all to go to this link and upload your files which you made today. Will be once you all are done with that, And let's say, for example, if you all have previously uploaded any projects in this server, it should be showing as not found, not found, not found. If you want to actually fix it with your real name, send me a WhatsApp message with your name and the files you have uploaded previously. So I'll set all of those with your original name. Yeah, sure. So you all don't need to upload now because it's taking time. We don't have much time, only around 10 minutes. So once y'all can do the uploading part after class. Now let's move to the quiz. It's showing like this. I think you haven't opened the H1 tag and typed the title. Oh, your image tag is incorrect. Send me the code in WhatsApp. I'll check and help you with that. Press Control S and save your code. Press Control S and save your code and check. Okay, let's move to the competition. Are you all ready for the game? Start. It's actually a live quiz. Okay, guys, I'll be sharing a new window with you all. Hmm. I'll send you all the link to join this quiz in the chat box as well as in the group link. You all can click on the link and join this quiz. I hope you all can see my screen. Yes, NextGen. Okay, quiz link I have sent you all to the group too. So you all can join. The six of you all are here. If you all have any issues joining the quiz, let me know. We'll be starting at 9. Join quickly. Okay, make it quick. I'll give you all 2 more minutes. If you all join only, you all will get access to the quiz. You can actually give it a try. It's like this. Now you will have 10 MCQs. While it's connecting or you will have connected, look at here. You all have 10 MCQs. Okay, okay. You all have 10 MCQs. Now there's a possibility where, let's say, all 10 of you got all 10 MCQs correct. That means the first, second, third can't be decided. So in that instance, it will check for the time you took to answer that question. For example, if you answer an MCQ question, for each question you will have 20 seconds, for some questions only 10 seconds. So in that case, let's say a guy who answered a question correctly in 1 second and another guy answered a question in 10 seconds, the guy who answered the question in 1 second will receive more points. So shall we start, or any of you are joining? Let's see. There are 10 of y'all here. Let's see who can give a good game. Let's see who can score the first today. Actually, the crowd is not there. Actually, last week and all, there were around 20 members. Today, I think y'all are on leave. There's not a leave today. Ne? The 12 of y'all have joined. Most of y'all are watching the recording. I know. I think there's a class clashing during this time, a science class, something, which of y'all told me. I can't help. Okay, so I'll give you all maximum of 1 more minute time for y'all to join. So is there anyone in the meeting who needs more time to start, to connect? All right. Visas Trizone. Okay. Alif, I'm just calling out your names. If it's okay, just tell me. Yashan, Usman, Visas. I think y'all are here now. I think only Visas is facing an issue. Visas, try closing the browser and opening it again. If it's too slow, then we are starting at 9 to I'm sticking on my word. The guys who have joined, open your browser. Don't look at my Zoom window. Open your browser because it needs time to refresh. I'll start the game in the count of three. So be ready. I might count at any time. Just a 10 MCQ question should take you 5 minutes and such. So get ready for the game. It's actually an easy game because it's the first time I'm doing a live test for this course. I kept it easy. Once we study bootstrap and stuff, it will be hard. Okay, so I think it's time to start. Three, two, one, start. Time's up. How was your first question? Okay, Hashen is on the lead. How was the first question? Which HTML is used to create a hyperlink? What's your comment? How was the first question? Oh, Risas, if your connection is, I think Risas, are using any, yeah, you can answer through Zoom, but I don't think you'll get the points. Okay, fine. Risas, actually, try to join next week, or it's fun. I'll drop the form link in the YouTube recording, watch the recording, and fill the Google form. I'll give you points there. And next question. Three, two, one. Go. Hey, you can actually earn points by just randomly clicking a button, man. Some of you are not even answering. Okay. Rihab is on the lead. Okay, let's see. Next question. Signal problem. Try to leave the Zoom meeting. Try to leave the Zoom meeting and no, Isa, your answer is wrong. Try to leave the Zoom meeting and do the test. Okay, some new people have touched the leaderboard. Nice. Next question. Okay, the leaderboard is not changing. Why is that? You can click a button. No, Lisa, it doesn't start with H. Table head starts with TH, if you remember. For the other guys, next question. Okay, then you can fill the Google form from the YouTube link description. Table header. But man, no one is passing Rihaab now. Shit, what's this? Click the buttons fast, you all will win. I mean, click the correct button fast. Next question. The seventh question for the day. Okay, a new participant in the leaderboard. Okay, next question. Most of the questions which are here were actually taken from your tests. Easy question. Okay, Alif has come to the top. Next question. This also you can fill the Google form. Next week, just try to fix a internet connection. Okay, Ashan has made a place to the top. Next question, one before the last. Enjoy. Okay, I'm actually skip the leaderboard for y'all to keep it a bit suspense. So the last question for the day. Enjoy. If y'all didn't answer this question, that clearly means that you didn't pay attention to today's lesson. The guys, I think no one chose that wrong option. Actually, then five of y'all haven't answered. That means these five guys haven't paid attention to today's class. I told this hundreds of times. Last class I told, last before class I told, the first day I told, today I told. Real-time projects are not done with Notepad, online editors, Notepad. It's done using VS Code. I told you all lots of times, and this is a clear shot. These guys has have paid attention. So, are you all ready? Yeah, okay, this is. Okay, are you all ready? I'm just pausing my screen for a few minutes. Congratulations, Hashen, Nasma, and Rihaab Rifqi. Congratulations, well done, very well done. Okay, so you all have done 44% accuracy. You all have done good in your first live quiz test. Better. So now what you all will be getting, I'm planning to add this leaderboard to the class, some page with Amar.com. I'm trying to add something called the leaderboard here. So I'll add this day's class. This guy has got the leaderboard, something like that. So to encourage you all to do this better. I'll post the result in the group. So what do you all think about today's class? That's it for today, guys. So I can actually leave the meeting. Do you all want me to discuss this quiz next week? I'm using Infinite Free. That's it. That's it for today, guys. Infinity Free. I'll send you. Yeah, fun. So the guys who missed, let them miss. So that's it for today. Good night. Bye.